Hello everyone, hi. So this is your friend Ravi Dwivedi. So this is today's trade detail. So the profit was around 40,000, which is nothing but 4% on my capital, which is 10 lakhs. Here you can see the order details for today's order. So we can see it on 1000 quantity I have traded. This is nothing but option scalping, making the quick entry, quick exit. That's all about based on the momentum. So if we see the SDF Bank Nifty chart today, so it was continuously coming down. And if we see on higher time frame, so in 3 hours time frame also we can see one selling candle kind of doji shooting star. After that it has broken the low 35,000 and given good momentum on the downside of 200 point something. So this is nothing but sheer profit booking. On half an hour time frame also we can see the trend was down only and continuously profit booking has taken place, and right now it is founding support near this moving average, green moving average. So this different various colors, which is like red, black, yellow, green, pink, this is nothing but moving average lines. And you can see different support and resistance also marked here. So I have taken on 35,100. So I will share the logic here why I have taken and what is the logic behind that. So we can see on 35,100 the overall trend was down. It was trying to find the support near this low area. The guys who have sold at higher prices, they are trying to book their profit on the lower areas, and additional buying is happening. So we got some momentum here. So my entry was around 280 somewhere here in this candle, this particular candle. After that it has came to somewhat low also, and then good momentum. So I just captured some 33 points around, and we can see there was good momentum. Okay, so I will try to teach you all like what is the price action and all. So just stay tuned. Option trading you should be doing after giving sufficient amount of time by understanding the charts. So if we see here, these are the main stocks here: Reliance, HDFC Bank, HDFC, TCS, Hindustan Unilever, Infi, Bharti Airtel, Kotak, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBI, Bajaj Finance, L&T, IITC, Maruti. So these are the most top heavy weightage stocks by market capitalization. So just try to visualize their price and see how the prices are reacting. So I will be giving you all the nuggets. So if we say we will go to paint and just try to see some what are the different scenarios in price action. So there's 4 types of market scenarios. Okay, so first of all, the market will be in the range. Range is nothing but market is not moving upside or lower side, so it is in the range. This is known as accumulation period. So in accumulation the prices won't rise, won't fall, it will stay within a given price range. So let's say the bottom line is 50 and this upper one is 100. Okay, in 50 to 100 consolidation is happening. So buyer and seller were equal in number, and this is nothing but accumulation cycle. Once accumulation cycle is complete, and if there is breakout on the upside, so we will see the prices moving higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like this formation. Okay, like this. So this is nothing but your uptrend. Uptrend is nothing but prices moving higher. So this is the second phase of the market, which is uptrend. Again you will see range happening, taking place. So again the prices will be consolidating in the given range, and let's say this is 150 and this is 200. So all those guys who have bought here on the lower side, they will be booking their profit on the higher levels. So that's why and also other guys won't be buying at this high prices, so there is no buying, just distribution is happening. So this phase is known as, third phase is known as distribution. This is first phase, which is nothing but accumulation. This is second phase, which is uptrend, and this is third phase, which is nothing but distribution. Once the distribution is complete, you will see the prices will be falling lower and lower and lower. So this is nothing but downtrend. So this is nothing but your downtrend. This is fourth phase. Okay, this is the fourth phase. So this is nothing but your price action. So in each and every chart you will be finding all these scenarios. You will be seeing the prices moving in the range, maybe accumulation or maybe distribution, or otherwise it may be on the upside, higher high higher low, or making lower high lower low, which is downtrend. So you will just get only these four scenarios in the market in any kind of chart. Okay, so just try to identify these areas in different prices of the stocks. So after that only your eyes and mind will be in sync, then only you will be making profitable trades. So if you buy here in the accumulation range, so you won't be getting good movement. Okay, but if you buy on the upside, so sure shot you will be making huge money. And if let's say you are buying on this downtrend, so definitely you are going to lose money in this scenario because it is a downtrend. So for buying this scenario, second phase is good of market structure. And on selling side, if you want to sell, so always try to sell on the higher prices and on the downtrend, so that will give you good money. Okay, so let's see some charts over here. So here basically what was happening, the prices were in the range. So if I draw a channel over here, so if we see by taking the upper side and lower side, so price was in the range. So here it has tried to break out nearby this area. So I have bought here only on this candle only 280. After that it came 235 also. I was facing some 30k loss, but I was sure like okay, this is kind of a range formation is happening. So that's why I have waited, and my stop loss was below this 169. So I would have exited around 210, 220 also, because I won't take this much 60, 70 point stop loss. My quantity was higher. So that's why I have taken this. And after that, it has raised almost like 484 levels also. This would have given me almost like 1.5 lakhs, 1.6 lakhs profit. But anyway, no one can catch the entire move. So I was just targeting 20, 30 points only, and I have got. So that's all for today's trade. And if we see bank nifty, in bank nifty also it was forming kind of range. So if I go here and plot the channel, so this was the upper area, this was the lower area. So here it has given the breakout on the lower side. So this was nothing but, if you see here, accumulation was happening this side, accumulation was completed, uptrend we got, and after uptrend distribution we got, and again downtrend we got. So you need to identify the phases, which phases you will be training or trading. So stay tuned guys, I will be giving a lot of nuggets, and it will help you definitely become a good trader. So over the time we'll be learning all these stuffs. So that's all from my side. Stay tuned, subscribe my channel. In future I will be sharing live calls also, and all this what I have learned after spending almost like 1.5 to 2 lakhs by going various seminar training programs and all those. I will be sharing everything. Okay guys, take care, bye.